Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video we will see how to set camera settings on iPhone. Also I wonder why you want to know how to set camera settings on iPhone. It is because you want to click the best pictures with highest quality and the highest FPS rate. Or maybe you just want to set it so that you could click some cinematic pictures, or it could be any other reason for you. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. The first thing that you have to do is that you just have to simply go to the settings of your mobile phone. This is the icon of the settings available in every iPhone. You could find it either in library, or you could just go to your search and there you could search for the settings. Once you find the icon of the settings, just simply tap on it to open the settings. Once the settings gets open, on the top you will see its title settings, and there you will see a lot of different options. Every option here is different from each other and has its own purpose that it performs through a task in this mobile phone. So from all these options, what you have to do is you just have to keep scrolling down to the down of the page, and there you will find this option. First you will find this section, and there you will find this option camera. It also has a camera icon. Once you click on it, on the top you will read its title. That means we are at the right place. So here all these options are related to camera, and if we customize them or change them, it will result on the result of our camera. That means either we could improve the quality of our camera, or either we could reduce it. It's all up to you. The more customization you do, the more it will make an effect on the result of the photos. So here I have selected on this option which says format. Here you can see we have two options: high proficiency and most compatible one. You can choose any one of these options according to your preferences. After that you can choose what kind of video recordings you want, what kind of quality. Likewise, here we have many different options. What you have to do is you just have to keep clicking on every option one by one and customize it according to your preferences and your choices. If you want the higher quality, higher FPS and higher HDR rate, then you can customize it according to what you like. Remember that whatever change you do here, it will affect on the result of your photos or videos. Therefore, keep in mind that you only change the things that are required to you. Do not touch or change the things that are not necessary for you, because it might harm the quality of the pictures or videos that you make on your mobile phone. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can customize the settings of camera on iPhone. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. And thank you for watching the video.